Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from One Day Saving. Now I'm quite excited about this bottom one, but I'm going to open the one that we can see first because it will actually help me with the other item. And you'll see why in a bit. So this first painting is a 30 by 40. It is round diamonds and it does come with DMC numbers. It has 20 different colours, but we have a gorgeous image of the Eiffel Tower. It's as though the rest is black and white, though it's not, because there is some green, but it's definitely got the emphasis on the tower itself, which is looking very bronzy there. It is 25 centimetres by 35 centimetres for the actual diamond painting area. It does come with a toolkit with a boat wax and pen. And then these are the colours. So it's definitely not a black and white picture, but it has that sort of look where the Eiffel Tower is definitely more, it's as though the Eiffel Tower is sepia and the rest is black and white, but it's a nice effect. So we have some browns, of course some of the browns, whites, purpley colours, pinks, peaches, some greens, a bit more pink and peach. So there's definitely a lot of colours in there to make up this image. It's just the look that you sort of get overall, which I really like in the picture. It has nice clear symbols. There is some blockiness and some confetti. So this letter T is quite blocky, but then around the outsides we've got a bit more confetti. So it's a nice painting to keep your interest. Got like this letter A that goes all the way around here when we create the clouds, and then we have a lot more confetti in the trees and in turn in the actual Eiffel Tower itself. The most blocky part is probably this number 4 at the top and again at the bottom, but it does have enough different colours in there to mix it up. So that is painting number 1. Painting number 2, find where my scissors went. Things move in this craft room far too easily. So for painting number 2, we go in a little bit more bright and funky. Again, this is a round diamond painting, but this is a teacups painting with lots and lots of fun colours, polka dots, all that jazz. It has 22 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. Let me just try and get it to lie just a little bit flatter. It's poured glue, so it will flatten out over time. Sometimes I just like to peel the cover back just on those top and bottom edges so that you guys can see it all a little bit better. It comes with a toolkit and you do get baggies with this one. But the only other different thing for this one is they actually come with the diamonds in packets. It doesn't have an inventory sheet, so I suppose with the ones that come in bags like this, you also have to hope you have the right amount. It's the same with this, but we have some really fun purples, nice sort of green, limey greens, some bright yellow, more greens, pale green, pops of pink, pops of like a burnt orange, pops of turquoise and some white. So quite a fun array of colours in there that make up this, which again has some blockiness but not as well. So we've got the likes of this teacup. We've got quite a lot of the W, but then we do still have the odd scattering where you get some shading of different colours. But then a bit further down you might find it's a little bit more confetti-like. But yeah, fun design. Let's confirm the canvas size for this one is 24 by 34. So it's a 24 by 34 painting. So that is the two paintings for today's selection. And then we have this. So this is a magnetic frame. If I get in it, the idea is that you can, where has it gone? It does have two pieces of magnet. Does it open on one end and not the other? It does. So don't try and open it from the bottom or from the top, depending on which way you open it up. But the idea is you can pop a diamond painting in this. Now it does, is it made for a true 30 by 40? It looks like it is. So if I have a look here at the edges, this full size is 30 by 40. Let's just measure that to check, because that's what it's looking like to me. Oh, in fact, it's shorter than that. So it's actually 28.5 by 38.5 if we include the black. If we don't include the black, it's 35 by 25. So if you have a painting that's down as a 30 by 40, like this one, but is actually 25 across, then this one, width-wise, will fit. So can you see that one has fit inside because it is 35 centimetres across. And if I can try and get that to bend so that I can tuck it up and see if we've got the right length as well. So normally, once the painting's done, you can cut most of that border off. So there we go. If you have a 30 by 40 painting that actually has a 5 centimetre border around it, and it makes it a 35 by 25 painting, then it will fit inside one of these magnetic frames, which is great because I actually have quite a few that do work out to be this size. It can vary. So this one is a little bit smaller and won't fit in the frame as well, not unless you put a board around it, though you could put some washi tape around it. Whereas this one will fit inside the magnetic frame. So once you've done it, cut the edges off, pop it inside. You can display your picture, either keep it displayed in this, or you may decide actually I want to change it, and in that case you can then lift it up, pop a different picture in and pop your frame back down, and you've got a picture framed again. So plenty of different options with this. It is white on the back. It's quite flexible. It does have some creases in it from transport, but hopefully that won't show through when you actually pop the picture in. But as a more affordable solution to be able to frame your diamond paintings, it's really, really good. So yeah, that is the selection for today. Thank you to One Day Saving for sending me these to share with you all, and I will pop the links in the description down below in case you want to go and grab one for yourself. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.